Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by ISEEHAIR. Shout out to you, Isee, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit I am rocking, like, first I want to just go ahead and talk about the packaging, y'all. I just do, because first of all, I'm a fan of pink. I feel like most of us are fans of pink. I know there are some people that aren't, but pink is my favorite color. This box to me was everything. Like, they did that. And I love the little pink things that they sent. Like, even the brush is pink, the lashes are pink, the bonnet is pink. Like, I love pink, y'all. I mean, pink just makes me happy. So, shout out to them for that. And if I'm not mistaken, it says on the thing, it says Princess Luxury Hair Collection. Okay, so this is just like a certain collection with this company, but honey, they came through, okay? They came through with the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and look on here first to tell you guys the specs of this hair, then we'll go on the site and get more details and stuff. So on here it says that the density is 200%, and yes, girl, she's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, honey. Okay, and she's lightweight. She's thick, but she lightweight. Okay, and it says the stretched length is 22 inches. So stretched out, this hair is 22 inches if you stretch it out. Not just on my head, it's not 22 inches, but stretched out is 22 inches. The texture is a water wave, and this is a Mongolian hair, honey, okay? This is Mongolian hair, girl. Okay, so those are the details and specs. Now, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I did not feel like it was necessary, and you guys know I'm on a little kick. Okay, so when it's something that I don't bleach, that means it's completely not necessary, because I'll bleach something that is a little necessary. But this was completely unnecessary, so I did not bleach the knots whatsoever. I did decide to tweeze this unit some. I didn't do a whole lot, but I did tweeze it a little bit. You guys know, if you watch me, that tweezing is not my forte, but I feel like I did all right. Like, y'all let me know what you think. I feel like I did all right. Okay, so on their site, it says Honey Blonde Water Wave Color Wig Pre-Plucked Transparent Lace. And it says Honey Blonde Sun Kissed Colored Wig, 13x4 lace front, pre-plucked natural hairline, 1 to 2 weeks processing time before shipment. So they do need that processing time. I want to go ahead and throw that out there. It'll be 1 to 2 weeks before they can even ship it to you. So keep that in mind. Now, this unit is available in 18 to 30 inches, all of them being even numbers. The density, the only density that they have available is 200%. Okay, so that is the only density you can get. The hair types are Brazilian, Mongolian, Peruvian, Malaysian, and Indian. And you have to choose all of those when you get your unit. Now, as I stated, they sent me Mongolian. I did not pick out a certain type. They just sent me what they wanted to send me. So all I can tell you is about this one, and this Mongolian, okay? So it says it's a medium size cap, honey blonde, similar with the number 27. You guys know, if you know me, I love a good 27, honey. This is the color I used to wear my natural hair, okay? And yeah, the rest is just telling you 15 days, no reason return policy. So within 15 days, you can return this unit with no reason whatsoever. And it says fast shipping, blase blase. You guys can go on there and look, and those are the details and specs that I personally have about this unit. So as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, y'all, I have gotten some, but it has not been anything to write home about. I don't want to run my fingers through it a whole lot because now I done applied my mousse and all of that. But I did receive some shedding. I did receive some tangles while brushing it out, but it wasn't a whole lot. Like, if it was, honey, you wouldn't be seeing this video. You know what I'm saying? You wouldn't be seeing this video, girl. But straight out the packaging is not doing any other things. It's not to say that it won't be doing any other things at some point. Just straight out the packaging, she is not. And as far as it being big head friendly, I personally feel like this unit is big head friendly because I did have to adjust the straps. But I only have the head that's on my shoulders, and I am an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, take it with a grain of salt. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and lint check, then please continue to I feel like that's just what I'm getting these days. Like, I don't know what is going on, but I feel like most of the units that I receive these days are 13x4s, and this one is a 13x4. So that would be my con, and it's only because it's only so much you can do with 13x4. Well, no, it's not that. It's a con because I feel like you always got to kind of worry about hidden weft. Okay, so it is always going to be a con for me. It may not be a con for everybody, but it is definitely a con for me. So I want to throw that out there. Catch it, girl. Catch it. I'm going to throw it out there. You catch it. My pros is I love the color. I love the texture. I love that it's a completely honey blonde water wave wig. I love me some water wave, honey, and I love me some honey blonde. And I don't need no dark root, girl. So it is definitely a pro for me. Like, I feel like I had a headband wig that was water wave in this color, but I've never had like a lace front that was this color and this texture. So those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would personally recommend it because I feel like, honey, it is a honey blonde water wave. Need I say more? Now, granted, I did have to tweeze it some. It wasn't super, super dense, but it was dense to me, and I felt like tweezing it a little more. But overall, I feel like this wig is light, and you don't have to bleach it. I know some people, tweezing is less strenuous or like, you know, everybody have our cons. I don't like to tweeze. Some people like to tweeze and some people don't like to bleach. I'm the opposite. So it just depends on you, but I personally would recommend this unit strictly off the color and the texture. Purr it. Okay, girl. Purr it. Okay, y'all. So let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and that is the stretch length is 22 inches. Honestly, I feel like the regular length is 22 inches, but I could be tripping. Y'all let me know what you think down below. But this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Like, honey, you can't tell me I shouldn't be on somebody's beach looking like a whole snack, honey, okay? I I feel like I need to be on somebody's beach looking like a snack. So let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you feel like it's a vibe, it's a mood. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, ISEEHAIR, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media
It's a disastrous beauty. Yes, you just came into it. The looks you'll love completely. Got every style.